Good morning, everyone. My name is Chebrolu Bhuvan. In last class, we have completed chapter 3, playing with numbers. In this class, we are going to discuss chapter 4, basic geometrical ideas. What is the name of chapter 4? Basic geometrical ideas. In that, we are going to discuss about geometry first. What is the definition of geometry? Let us see first. Geometry means it is a mix of two words, geo and metron. Geo and metron. Geo plus metron gives geometry. Okay. See, the word geo. The word means earth. The word geo means earth. See, the word geo means earth. And the word metron means measurement. The word metron means measurement. So, if we are adding these two words to get geometry, then what is the definition of geometry? Measurement of earth. Measurement of earth. That is only known as geometry. Geometry is a mixture of two words, geo and metron. Geo means earth, metron means measurement, and geometry means measurement of earth. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about point. See, we are going to discuss about point. Point means it determines the location. It determines the location of the object. It determines the location of the space. It determines the location of the space. See, this is a big area. In that, we have represented a point here. So, this point represents the place, this place. This point represents this place. This point represents this place. So, point means it represents the space of specific object. And a point has no dimension. A point has no dimension. A point has no dimension. Okay, first point. And what is the second point? It represents a place. It represents a place of object. And third point. It is denoted by capital letter. Denoted by capital letter. See, now this is a point. How to name this point? We have to write this point. We have to write up as A. So this point is called point A. And if we write one more point here, see, point B. And here one point, point C. Okay. So let us recap point. What is a point? A point, it represents a place of an object. It has no dimension and it is denoted by capital letters. It is denoted by capital letters. Okay, like this, point A, point B, like that it is denoted. Next, let us discuss line. Let us discuss line. Line. Let us discuss line. Generally, you think line means like this. But this is not a line. Listen properly. A line is formed by infinite points side by side. Infinite points side by side. See, We have so many points like this side, like this some points. If we join these points, we get a line. Okay. So if we draw so many points, it is extend. It is extending. See. Now this point join extending. And again, if we draw a point, place a point in this side or in other side, in right side or left side, it extends. So what is the first property of line? It extends endless. It extends endless. It is endless. It extends on both sides. Extends both sides. It has no measurement. We can't measure a line. We can't measure a line. Okay. And it has one dimension. One dimension. And listen, it is denoted by A, two capital letters, and top we have to draw a line symbol. A and B are points which lies in the line AB. On the line. Sorry. Now this is a line. Generally, line extends on both sides, so we have to keep arrow on both sides. And let us take this point as A, this point as B. So this is said to be AB line. AB line. Okay. See. Now, if this point is X and this point is Y, then what is this line called? XY line. XY line. Okay. XY are the points which lies in this line. And now let us recap line. Line is endless. It extends in both sides. And it is formed by infinite points side by side. It has no measure. It has no specific measure. It has no correct measure. Okay. And it has one dimension. And it is denoted by two capital letters on the top a line symbol. And these two capital letters, that is AB. That line, this points lies in the line, on the line. Okay. Now next let us discuss ray. Let us discuss ray. Ray means it extends only one side. What we say? Extends only one side. Extends only one side. See like this. One point and it extends one side. Okay. One point. We can represent this point by letter A. Okay. And it has no specific measurement. It has no measurement. And see, it is denoted. It is denoted by, see, let us take one more point on this ray. B. A, B, ray. A, B, ray. One more example. A is the starting point. A is the starting point of the ray, and B is the point which lies on the ray. Okay, see, this is a point P, and Q point lies on the ray. Okay, then how can we represent this ray? P, Q, ray. P, Q, ray. Okay. Now let us recap ray. Recap means which extends only. Ray means which extends only on one side. It has a starting point. In another side, it extends till infinity. and it has no measurement. It is denoted by A, B ray, two capital letters and the top ray symbol. Okay. Next, let us discuss line segment. Line segment. Line segment. First point. It has two endpoints. It has two endpoints. It has two endpoints. It has fixed length, fixed measure. It has fixed measure. It has fixed measure. It has one dimension. One dimension. It is denoted as AB line. AB are the two endpoints of the line segment. This is a line segment. It does not extend in both the sides. It is not extend in one side also. It has fixed length. One point in this corner and another point in this end. And if we measure with scale, if we get this measure as 10 centimeter, this is a fixed length. A line segment has fixed length and it has one dimension, that is length. Dimension, that is length. And this line segment denoted by AB line segment. AB line segment. Okay, let us recap line segment. Line segment has two endpoints. Line segment has two endpoints. It has fixed length or fixed measurement. And it has one dimension. It is denoted as AB line. Okay. Next, let us discuss intersecting lines. What we are going to discuss? Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. If two lines join at a common point. Intersecting line means two lines join at a common point. Join at a common point. See. One line. Okay. Another line. This is A. This is B. This is C. This is D. Okay. And this point is intersecting point. That is represented by O. This is the meeting point of two lines. So, now in this, which are the intersecting lines? That is AB line and CD line are intersecting lines. And they have intersecting point represented by point O. Point O. Now, what is the definition of intersecting lines? When two lines join at a common point. See, two lines join at a common point. Their lines are called intersecting lines, and the point which is common, that is known as intersecting point. Intersecting point. Next, parallel lines. Let us see. What lines? Parallel lines. Parallel lines. Okay. See. Parallel lines. Parallel lines means two lines which does not have any common point. Two lines which does not have any common point, but the distance between the two lines is same at every point. See. Now, this is a line. This is another line. Okay, let us represent A, B, C, and D. If we take the distance between the two lines, see here the distance is same, and even here the distance is same. At any point, the distance between the two lines is same. Okay, parallel lines means two lines which does not have any common point, such that the distance between the two lines are same at every point. See, if we draw lines like this, it does not have common point. It satisfies one condition, and the distance here and the distance here is not same. So these are not parallel lines. Okay. See, let us see. Just for example, railway track. See, railway track. See, we are drawing like this. These are lines in railway track. These two lines are parallel, and the distance between the two lines are same only. It can differ a little bit, but not more. Okay. Now, it won't differ itself mostly. Okay, see, what are the definition of parallel lines? Parallel lines means the lines which have no common point, and the distance between the two lines is same everywhere. Okay, same at any point. We can take distance here or here, anywhere. The distance is d. That is same only. Okay. Okay. Now the session ends. In this class, we have discussed first geometry. Geometry means it's a combination of geo and metron. And we have discussed point, line, ray, and line segment. After that, we have discussed intersecting lines and parallel lines. Thank you. If you like, subscribe.